You know, I mean, traditionally, you only really had two choices. You can load up some charcoal, great flavor. It's going to take you, you know, 20, 30 minutes to get the charcoal hot. You get it spread out. You get a couple of great burgers, some ribs, some chickens, whatever you cook it on there, you know. But for what, 20 minutes, and then you've got this hot charcoal for what, an hour, 2 hours left. You could go with gas. Now gas is going to fire right up. You're going to be able to cook what you want to. You know, granted, kind of, you know, soulless. No extra beautiful mesquite, post oaky, charcoal, smoky flavors in there. But you'll be able to clean it off and turn it off, and it'll be cool in just a few minutes. But what if you could do both? And you can, because pellet smoking is that thing. I walk out, fire up the pellet smoker. Takes, you know, 2-3 minutes to get ignited, maybe 10-15 minutes. We're hot. Throw a couple burgers on. Great smoke, great sear, everything's beautiful. Once you pull them off, you turn the machine off. Man, 20 minutes, this thing's cooled back down. You throw the cover on it and you move on with your life. Let's take a closer look at this thing. All right, so this little unit I have here today is from a company called Hello Doctor. They sent me this grill last month to do some smoking with. I did a video where I did a 2-hour recipe on some chicken, and I just didn't really get across one of my favorite things about it is the ability just to fire up and fire down and do some grilling. So this little unit right here, just a small 200 square inch, like I said, this is about 14 by 15 little grill panel right here. Inside the unit right here is where all the pellet goes, right up under there. What I'm actually using is kind of this blend where I blend together some, this is actually mesquite, and they make a charcoal pellet that I use right along inside of there. And you know, usually for something like we're gonna do, it's gonna take about a pound, and that's really about it. Down here on the front is the controls. Once you turn it on, it's just gonna give you a readout of what your setting is, and then it's gonna go back and forth between that and what the actual temperature is. And once we get this thing fired up to 500 degrees, we're gonna throw some burgers on it. I'm gonna close the lid, run get some meat. We'll see how long this takes to heat up. All right, so right here about the 15-minute mark, we are pushing 560, even though, let's see what we got it. We got it set at 500. She's coming in at 560. Let's take a peek what's going on inside. She's looking beauty. All right, I'm gonna close that back down. We're gonna get a couple burgers on here. All right, let's get her back open and get some of this meat on here and see how she reacts. All right, so it looks like we're gonna pull a good sear on these. Let's close her down for a little while. Come back in 3 minutes. All right, pushing 575. Let's give these a flip right about at the 3-minute mark. Still fire burning good under there. Get these flipped over. They look beautiful. Now, you know, not super thick bars on this grill right here, so not a whole lot of grill marks going on here, but actually a nice char. A little Maillard effect right here going on the edge of the burgers. Close it down for 3 more. See what we got. All right, we've been about 3 more minutes here. Looking good. Let's see what the bottom side looks like here. You know, like I said, these beams ain't really heavy enough to get a good char on there, but got a little something going. All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna slide these over the edge here. Sorry, to the middle. Throw on a couple of buns. Slap a piece of cheese on there. All right, look, so if you've been thinking about getting a pellet smoking, these little cheaper portable pellet smokers are kind of the way to do it. There's a couple of companies like this. This particular brand is from Hello Doctor. Like I said, they sent it to me to try it out. But these little pellet smokers are a great way to get in to see if you like it, you know. This little unit right here is less than half the price of the Traeger. It's like $150 cheaper than the Pit Boss version, something like that. So in the description, I have a link to my Amazon store and a direct link to this unit right here if you're interested in taking a look at it and maybe entering into the world of pellet smoking. I appreciate y'all.